you looking at buying a C63 AMG from the years 2009 to 2012? Is it 3 in the morning and you're browsing YouTube videos about cars you may never buy in your life? Did you click on this video just because you want to hear the exhaust note? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you're in the right place. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Kev G video. We are going to be dissecting and discussing the 2009 W204 C63 AMG. More specifically, 5 things I love about it. Now, before we get into the video, I want to say thank you guys. Again, we are closing in on 1,000 subscribers. We're at about 920 right now. So hit subscribe. Let's hit that goal. I appreciate you guys. Also, merch. I have gotten a lot of requests for, so we are upping the production. I have mediums and larges available to anybody interested. But without further ado, let's get into the video on the C63, because I know that's why you guys clicked on the video and why you're here. So number 1 with this car is absolutely going to be the exterior styling. So this car, believe it or not, is 11 years old. So it's crazy to think these cars were produced 10, 11, 12 years ago because of the exterior styling. The lines are super aggressive looking. The front end is something else. So with that said, the styling is more aggressive obviously on the C63 trim, but on that same note, it is a sleeper car because it's a 4-door family sedan. Number 2. I want to spend a couple seconds just on that number 2 because that is something that a lot of people really enjoy, and the W204 C63 exhaust note is renowned for being one of the best sounding notes. I think this car is right up there with Maserati, Ferrari, right in those naturally aspirated V8s that are considered to be some of the best. So we have exterior styling, that exhaust note, and then number 3 is going to be the practicality of these cars. Like I mentioned, this is a total grocery getter. It is no more than a C-Class sedan on the inside. So you have these big spacious back seats, you have a ton of cubic feet in the trunk for storage. A family can fit pretty comfortably in these cars. So number 4 on this list is going to be the potential for modifications you can do. So that's going to be the umbrella term I use, but that includes everything from the ECU and engine modifications to everything exterior, wings, aero. You have a lot of options when you're looking at C63 AMG from this generation. With just a couple quick browsing searches on the internet, I was able to find a ton of different body kits. And since this was such a popular year and popular generation for these cars, they have a lot of big name body kits like Liberty Walk. So for example, this car has an ECU tune on it. It is a Rentec Stage 1, bringing it to 518 horsepower at the crank. So this car is by no means slow. Stock, they make around 440 to the crank, and just with that one ECU tune, they're able to make such greater power. It's really worth it for anybody looking into it. So with that modification potential, there is such a wide range and plenty of options you can go with. So that'll bring us to number 5, which is going to be the fun factor, the wow factor. People are always staring. That's the big 6.3 liter V8. They want to hear it rev up. They want to hear it take off. So anybody that understands and appreciates cars knows the C63. They know the big naturally aspirated V8, and they hear it before they see it coming. So kind of tying into that last point, the fun factor is something you want to consider when looking at used vehicles like this. Being rear wheel drive, it is so fun. You can do those burnouts, you can do the launches, you can kind of get loose in the corners, you can get that tail out and have some fun. With that, there are so many opportunities for this car. You can modify it, you can drive it fast, you can drive it slow, you can drive it to the grocery store, drive it to the track. Honestly, this is one of the best daily drivers you can get on the market, and just a quick scroll through Car Gurus, you can see a bunch of affordable options. So that wraps up the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new, subscribe. If you liked the video, hit like. If you didn't, hit dislike. I'm starting to pump out a bunch of new content for you guys, so I hope you guys appreciate my rapid uploads. We're doing every other day right now, so that's awesome for my channel. I hope this video was informative to anybody looking at these kind of cars, looking at used ones, considering what to buy. That wraps up this video, though. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.